How to reset Face ID on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and scroll down and tap on the Face ID and passcode option you see there. You will then be required to enter your iPhone's passcode, so enter that, and here you will see the option for Reset Face ID. So tap on the Reset Face ID option you see there, and with this, as you can see, your Face ID has been reset. So this was about how you can reset Face ID. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.